don't want the coalition government for the sake of it. Or like, tata loku, mina ngizothatha loku.
Isekela likaMengameli uPaul Mashatile uthi abafuna ukwenza isiphaza nabasebenzisana nezinye inhlangano bafuna indima kezomnotho.
Angazi how many weeks sitamanje singanawo and asazi kwenzakalani.
Since amangabuya namanje akunamanzi akunanetho.
IJohannesburg Water iyayilandula ukuthi kunabantu abayisozisako endabeni yamanzi. Bathi ukukhuphuka kwesibalo sabantu ngikho kwenza amanzi athayele. Ngiyangithokozisa ukuthola ungilindile endabeni zesiNdebele ku SABC 1. Dalela eduze uzibambe zisashisa. Akwande. Sekela likaMengameli uPaul Mashatile uthi bayazazi intshijilo eziqalene nabo masipalata enarheni le. uMashatile obekhuluma eParliament namhlanje wathi uMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa umbawile bona ngenelele emrarweni wokunganikelwa kwabantu izenzela elizweni lonke. uMashatile bekaphendula imibuzo eParliament.
uMashatile ubuziwe bona iANC izonqanqabeza na ngobujamo obumbe bomasipalata abaqalene nabo wavuma bona vele banentshijilo eziningi.
Yes, it is true that in some of our municipalities the states of roads are not in good order, but a lot of work is happening in these various municipalities. So it's not like there are challenges and the ANC is not doing anything.
Nakabuzwa ngendaba yokubuyiswa kwenarha, uMashatile uyavuma bona isikhathi esibhekwa siyaphela bona abantu bafaka imbawo zokuliliswa batsho imndeni kwanje ifuna impendulo ngendaba le. Wavuma bona ezinye imbawo ziphelelwe isikhathi solo zilinde umthetho bona uthathe indima. Wathi lokhu kuliqalo ndanzi likahulumende.
You know, one of the big challenges as you deal with issues of land redistribution and redistribution is also a problem of crime and corruption that is involved. So what the president has done, presented to cabinet, and we approved a national anti-corruption strategy.
uMashatile akhanga veze ngokunabileko bona inarha engangane esele ibuyiselwe kubanikazi solo kwango 1994 kodwa wathi zingaphezulu kwenkulungwane ezihlanu imbawo ezingakatshejwa kodwa ezimachumi abunane nekhomba ziphasiswe ikomishini yenarha kwakhutshwa imali elinganiselwa ku-79 billion yamaranda.
We don't want the coalition government for the sake of it, or like tata loku, mina ngizothatha loku. We don't want that. We want a principle that says, what are we going to do for the people? How are we going to grow the economy, create jobs?
Le yipendulo kaMashatile nakakhuluma ngamahlelo kahulumende azowenza ngamahlelo okubusa ngokuhlanganyela. Nakabuzwa ngokubulawa kwabosopolitiki bomasipalata, uMashatile uthi kuzokufanele zonke inhlangano sebenzane ukuruthula imali ezingakalungi kubomasipalata ezenza bona kugcine kubulewa abanye abosopolitiki. Uvale inkulumo yakhe ngokukhumbuza amalungu eParliament bona balapha nje ukuzokusebenzela isitshaba kungasi imfuno zabo.
Hlangano iphakela amanzi eJohannesburg iziphayile inkulumo zokuthi sisenzo sangabomu esenze ukuthi kuvaleka amanzi eJohannesburg. Ihlangano le ithi sebaba nengikhulu abantu abasebenzisa amanzi lokho okwenza kube budisi ukukhambisana nesibalo sabantu abakhona. Lokhu njengombana kunganamanzi endaweni eziningi.
Bujamo obubudisi ebantwini. Bantu balwela ukufumana insiza ekufaneleko bona babe nazo.
Funa amanzi eIvory sikwazi ukungena etoilet, sikwazi ukugeza, sikwazi ukupheka.
Since amangabuya namanje akunamanzi akunanetho. Wabona ukuthi line lingakanani.
Mhlakho ogubele abancane nabadala. Batha bazi ukuthi bazokuthatha ini bayihlanganise nani.
Batrisa amabhakete.
Kuqale ukuthi umjejelo ungangani lapha abantu solo bajamile lapha bafuna amanzi. Hayi.
BeJohannesburg Water bathi umthangala sisekelo wamanzi ngenzeka ukuthi lifika la kusasa ube sewulungisiwe. kanti ezinye indawo zizowathola ngeveke zako amanzi.
Johannesburg water system are experiencing poor supply and struggling to cope with the demand. While rainwater had been pumping normally, the bulk supplier was also battling to fill up their reservoirs due to the collective demand between their various customers.
I'll separate it in terms of system that we know they are easy to recover. This is the Midrand and the Ilovo system, Greater Midrand, Greater Sandton, which we've indicated that those systems, we are expecting that by tomorrow we'll have recovered that system. When you say recover, we'll now be in a point where everybody within the zone has water around the clock.
Ubujamo nabo nje izakhamuzi zibamba inhlizwe ngezandla bona nokho kuzaba nethosana ngempela veke holiday.
Umengameli walokho uThabo Mbeki uthi kuya ngabaholi beZimbabwe ukuthi bavele nezisombululo zemraro eqalene nelizwe labo. Nabekhuluma ne-SABC ngokukhethekileko eNew York, uMbeki uthi abaholi kufuze babekelele phambili ingkhuluphelo zelizwe labo ingasizabo.
When the Zimbabweans themselves could see that the elections had not produced a winner, the best thing to do, let's get together as Zimbabweans for 5 years and see what we can do together. And that kind of approach, I think, if one says, I'm a leader of the people of South Africa, what must inspire you is not my personal position as ANC president or president of the Republic. When I had to leave in 2008, it was to say what would be in the best interest of the country.
Ukuthatha kwenarha, ubulelesi namalayisensi ukuthengisa utshwala ngeminye yemraro ebeyidenjwa embizweni yamakhosi ebanjelwe eMbombela. Abomasipalati abaningi bazokalise ukuthwenyeka ngokuthi abantu bazisikela inarha ngokungemthetho okwenza bona kube nzima ukubanikela izenzelwa.
Abaholi bendabuka abavele engodini ezahlukahlukeneko zesifundesi bebahlangene eMbombela bazokudemba imraro eqalene nemphakathi ngomnqopho kuletha insombululo. Icontralesa ivumile bona ukwanda kwezenzo zokuzithathela inarha bathi abakhulelwe zinhloko.
We are worried that this land invasion is happening in areas where there is no planning by either traditional leaders or the municipality. Our worry is that when there is this land invasion, people don't have services there.
Inkhulu zikahulumende zibabo masipalata bona beqemsinya bathatha amagadango endabeni yokuzithathela inarha.
If a municipality is not performing its task and continuously are indicating, we'll have no choice but to take over that municipality and place it under administration.
Nakusenjalo, amapolisa athi amalunga omphakathi ngokubika zonke izenzo zokuthathwa kwenarha ngokungemthetho.
Somebody invading a particular land or a land that does not belong to them, they must report that particular matter to the police. It's a criminal case. The earlier we act on it, the better.
Mhlapha nje kugiriza injamiso zezindlu ekarino hlanu kweMbombela ngemva kokuthi abantu bazithathela inarha ngokungemthetho.
Nasibuye eNtolo.
We might have seen in some of the big retailers, they've already put the notices that there will be, limited supplies of eggs, so eggs are not available on shelves.
Amaqanda iyona la esiwadla ngomratha ngesikhathi thiwa yathayela. Singena esigabeni sethu sesibili sendaba zesiNdebele lapha ku SABC 1. Khumbula bona indaba ziyatholakala ekhasini lethu leFacebook na ku YouTube. Kunomraro zako ngamaqanda nenkukhu. Intengo zakhona ziyokhuphuka kakhulu ngoba kunomgomane enyoni owenze ukuthi kubulawe inkukhu eziningi. Kezinye indawo bese lekubikwe ukuthi eNtolo vele sekathomile ukuthayela amaqanda.
Ikoreba fuyibe inkukhu ithi umgomane wenyoni owande lapha eSouth Africa yi-H7N6. Ihlangano le ithi amaphesenti ama-30 webubulo lamaqanda liphazamisekile. Solo wehla kumgomane lo sekubulawe inkukhu ezingaphezulu kwengidi ezi5 nezinye nje ezizingidi ezibunane nazo ekusola bona zithelelekile. Nakunjalo kusazoba budisi endabeni yamaqanda enyangeni ezizakwisi.
What is likely to happen in the short term is that from those affected, farms or the production that has been lost, we will start to see, a bit of a strain in the supply side of eggs to the market. I'm sure you might have seen in some of the big retailers, they've already put the notices that there will be, limited supplies of eggs, or eggs are not available on shelves. We've been hit also from the breeding side of the business, meaning now if we start to everything from the scratch, under normal circumstances, if you start from scratch, from the breeding up to the point of lays, up to the production side of things, you're talking for that whole complete system about close to more or less around 72 weeks or around 17 months.
Ihlangano yabafuyi beenkukhu ithi isakhulumisana nohulumende bona aqalisise indaba yokujova iinkukhu kwesikhathi eside.
Unina likaMhlengi Dlamini wefolweni eSewula yeTheku waqindwa imino ngemva kwensolo zokuthi utitshere umbethe ngeduster phezu kwemino ufuna ubulungiswa. Umndeni uthi isandla sikaDlamini salimala ukubabazeka kweminyakeni emine edlulileko ngemva kokubetha ngutitshere ngombana batsho wayebangayitshata ngeklasini.
Umhlengi Dlamini sewuneminyaka ema-24 ubudala khabenza ugrade 10 e-Isolemamba High School efolweni ngo-2019. Uthi utitshere wambetha imino lengeduster ambombisa iguduva ngelanga lesehlakalo. Akhanga phola kwabe kwafuneka bona asike imino emine yesandleni sangesidleni ngemva kweminyaka emibili. Isehlakalo lesi sajugula impilo kunomphela akhanga sakhona ukusebenzisa isandlesi kwabe kwafuneka ukuthi alise isikolo. uDlamini bekanebhudango lokutshayela imphaphamtshini.
Ngiba ngisakwazi ukuthi ngiqhubeke ngifunda ngoba mekuyisona isandla engisebenzisa ngibhala kasurati. Umuntu osehlele ekhaya manje and okubhlungu ngisakwazi ukuzenzela sengumuntu osizwa owashelwa yonke into singiyasiza mina ngisakhona ukwenza lutho.
Unini uthi isehlakalo lesi basibika emapholiseni neminyangweni zefundo. Uthi amarekhodi esibhedlela ngamancebe endodana yakhe abeza ukuthi walimala adlala esikolweni. Umndeni uthi kwabe kwafuna ukufuduke la bewuhlala khona ngenxa yokuthuselwa.
Sinokuthi kuthiwe mina ngiqambela umnyango wezemfundo amanga sengizoze ngiphinde ngilahlekelwe nginako kuthiwa mina ummeli uzodla zonke into zami. Zonke lezi zinto zingiphethe kabuhlungu. Ngilahlekelwe iminwe yengane yami. Isandla asisasebenzi. Phinde manje kuthiwa ngizophucwe nginakho vela ngisenalutho ngoba nomuzi ingane yayihlala kuona. Awusekho.
Umnyango wezifundo uthi uyaphenya.
Inhloko yomnyango siyalele idistrict ulegal unit wethu kanye no-employee relations ukuthi balisebenzele lolu daba uma sebeliphothula balethe i-report kuyena.
Umndeni uthi uba uyisizo kunanyana ngibani ukuthi bafumane ubulungiswa.
Isitshaba sonke sizabe sigidinga inyanga yamagugu wamasiko ngevunulo, ukudla, ilimi nokhunye okuningi ngempela veke siyakiyo le. Ngaphandle kwevunulo efana nengholwani, imncamo, idzila nokhunye, kodwa namva nje abantu sebathungisa impahla ngamatshila agwalweko ngemhlobo yonke ukuveza ubutsha babo. Kubika uNontozo Sikhosana.
Ivunulo ethungwa ngamatshila wenitshaba ezihlukahlukeneko, lesiNdebele, lesiSwati, lesiZulu, lesiXhosa, leChitsonga, leChivenda namanye ikhamba phambili ngalesikhathi somnyaka. Kulapha abantu bagidinga imvelaphi yabo ngawo. AmaNdebele wona aziwa ngembala ekhanyako nobuthakgha bawo kezobukhwari. Iyathuthuka ivunulo eseyithungwa ngamatshila, ngitsho namadoda imbala selathoma ukuba namahempe, inkipa, ngitsho namatayi imbala. Konke lokho okuthungwe ngamatshila namkha okunemigwalo. Umvezi obuye abe mrhatshi wehlelo lendaba ezinabileko kuKwekwezi FM Iindaba zemini uHleziphi Sibanyoni uhlathulula ukuqakatheka kwelanga lamagugu namasiko.
Ilanga lamagugu liqakatheke kakhulu kithi njengoba seligidinga qobe eminyaka. Kilokho siqale ilimi, imvunulo, isikopilo, ukudla nokukhula kwethu. Njengoba ngimbethe nje ngivunule nginje, ngingumma weNdebele owendileko. La ngaphambili ngivunule itjoholo. Ngemva sithimba. Bese lapha emahlombe ngimbethe umtsuhwana. Entanyeni izungwana, idzila. Ngifake nesirholwani, ngifake nembhengela. Ehloko ngithwele umkhala. Umma weNdebele owendileko uvunula njengami nje.
Kanti njengoba yanda ivunulo yesintu esele iza ngamatshila, abathungi nabo isikhathi esikarisako kibo njengoba babetha inala nje. Omunye wabathungi bezambatho zemhlobo ehlukahlukeneko uNomsamkhonza uthi nanyana yena liswati ngokwendabuko kodwana uyakugarekela ukuthunga khulu izembatho zesiNdebele ingasi ngombana ahlala endaweni eyande ngamaNdebele kwaphela kodwana ngombana uyayithanda imbala yesiNdebele kanti okhunye batsho imetjhiseka lula.
IsiNdebele sinamakhala amahle kakhulu. Amakhala wakhona awusweli ukuthi uzothatha ini uhlanganise nani. Uvele nje ubheke imbala yakho bese uyasithatha usibeka phezukwawo lowo mbala umuhle ogqamile uba muhle nje ubonakala ebantwini umuhle.
Ngitsho nemaphaliswaneni wabonomhle khabo nemtchwadweni nakweminye iminyanya yesintu sekaningi kubonakala ivunulo yesiNdebele ethungwe ngesimodeni. Njenganje ivunulo yesiNdebele ithuthuke kangangokuthi seyembathwa ibuze ngokuthi drip abakwazi ukukhuluma ke bathi hunger is temporary, drip is forever. Ekutsho bona indlala yona sekuyinto edlulako izasibone kodwa nongibatha ufanelwe ngitsho nakuphila yinto yasafuthi. Basho babahle ngevunulo yesiNdebele ethungwe ngesimodeni. Ngingunontokozo Sikhosana weindaba ze-SABC e-Auckland Park eJohannesburg.
Umbuzo wanamhlanje uthi ngisiphi isiqhema osibona sizokuphumelela sidlulele kuma-final we-MTN 8 nakumbona kuyalandela.
Ama-final we-MTN 8 azoba phakathi kwesiqhema se-Kaizer Chiefs nesiqhema se-Orlando Pirates.
Pirates emsakazi izoyidlela amahlanga nje kulokhu izoyihambela yodwa. Izosishaya iStellenbosch kulokhu.
Ngaphandle kwamathandabuzo kaloku Mamelodi Sundowns neStellenbosch. Mamelodi Sundowns ithatheke lento elitop 8 cacile msasazoma.
Ingchema engizibona ukuthi zizodlulela phambili iOrlando Pirates iyodlulela phambili kubuye kudlulele iMamelodi Sundowns.
Ngithi mina kuyeqhuma nhlavanye ezinye ziyofeketha liyoduma limthatha kulimbeke lapha emsamo ngibona licembu leOrlando Pirates lichubekela phambili liya lapha kuma final ngibona nelicembu leMamelodi Sundowns lichubekela phambili lodlala ama final.
Umbono ngewombukeli SABC ayizokuthosa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Sihlanganisa indaba zomrhatsho ikwekwezi FM nezikamabonwa kude. Asizobona bazumi bafika apha bosibu ehlelweni sibuya nabazumi. Akwande mzumi.
Akwande Thandeka siyathokoza silotshisa nombukeli ovukeleko sekhaya njenganje. Indaba esiziphetheko namhlanje inyanga yamagugu iyela ekupheleni. Sizokhe kesitsheje ingoma lezi ehaye zivunywe lokha nanginomnyanya thola ukuthi isokana liyathatha namtjana udade uyenda ukuthi ingoma lezi zisuselwa kuphi lokha umhloli nekahlala phasi ayihlola ingoma bekufekele lapho ayigadangisa khona kusuka kunani emkhumbulweni wakhe. Ngale kwalokho usomkhandlu wezemali ukuthuthukiswa komnotho nezokuvakatsha lapha eMpumalanga sasa kulindeleke ukuthi avakatshele kumasipala wethembisile khona lapha esifundeni seMpumalanga. Lezi nezinye umbukeli uzozithola khona lapha kukwekwezi FM ngemva kwendaba ezifunyeziweko esizozifundelwa nguJanuary Masango. Sithokoza kakhulu Thandeka.
Sithokozile sibu. Sesikhamba nje nangumzangobe wemrhatshweni uhlezi iphinduli nesichema sakhe sabantu abavunule isikhabo. Hlamba amehlo umbukeli iphela veke emnandi.
Mina ngingumzangobe, umzangobe kaSingalela, umzangobe wakomrube, umfazi wakomhlalukwana, wakwamsweli, qakaqongo.